Consider function f of x equals to secx such that function is defined real number excluding values 2n plus 1 pi by 2 to real number. Graph. This function has value 1 at point 0 and this function does not define at minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, and also value minus 1 at pi, and it does not define at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Similarly, here at point minus pi the function has value minus 1 and this function is not defined at minus 3 pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Now if we see at point minus pi and pi, the function has same value, that means minus 1. Hence this function is not 1 1. Now if we consider values from 1 to minus 1, then each value of y, there does not exist any value of x. Hence this function is not onto. Now if we consider a function having restricted domain from 0 to pi and codomain minus 1 to 1, then we get a graph something like this. Now for each value of x there is a single value of y, hence function becomes 1 1. Similarly, for each value of y from the codomain there exists a unique value of x, c, and this also. Hence we can say that this is a bijective function. Now consider g of x equals to sec inverse x such that real number excluding values minus 1 and 1 to 0 to pi excluding pi by 2. Then this is the inverse of sec x and its graph should be like this: pi minus pi by 2, 1. Now something like this. As we see that at point 0 it has value 1 and pi it has value minus 1. Hence, and this is not defined at minus pi by 2. Hence this is a inverse function of sec x